Hi, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be discussing about the irreducible polynomial over a field. To start here, let's recall first the theorem from the previous video that we have. So ang sabi sa theorem na yon, that was the last theorem from the last video. Yung F mo is an extension field of a field K. And then your U here, which is an element of F, is algebraic over K. Yan. Then, the conclusion here is, number one, this subfield containing K and U is equal to the subring containing K and U. And number two, eto daw is actually isomorphic to the subring mod ideal generated by F. Okay, so yan yung theorem the last time. So we will have to use this information for us to introduce our topic for this video. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-main topic natin sa video na to. Ang sinabi, let F be an extension field of K and U is algebraic over K. So the monic irreducible polynomial F that is introduced sa theorem kanina is called the irreducible polynomial of U over K, denoted by this one, and the degree of U over K is this one. Okay, now, kung papansinin nyo, we're still actually doing the notion of, using the notion of algebraic and transcendental extension. So, para mas mainam, we will have to review that again. Let's say, yung F mo is a field extension of K. So, yung U mo na element ni F is algebraic over K. Ano nga yung ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, there exists a polynomial F. Yung polynomial F na yun is non-zero, which is an element of this ring, such that your F of U is zero. So otherwise, transcendental siya. Transcendental. So in this case here also, yung tinatawag nating degree of U, so the degree of U over K is the degree of F, which is the same as this one. So, dimension siya ng extension field na ring na ito over K. So, let's consider this. Assume that your U here is, so let U be a real root of, let's say, our polynomial S of X is X cubed minus X plus 1. And in this case, this is an element of the polynomial over Q. Okay, so the polynomial ring over Q. So, what do we want to do is we want to describe the field extension. So let's say we want to describe the U of U. Now, if you take a look into this, given that this one here is our polynomial x cubed minus x plus 1, observe that the only possible rational roots, why are we doing that? Because this is a rational number. So the only possible rational root here is 1, a plus or minus 1, tama? But if you come to think of it as of plus or minus 1, this is not 0. Okay? So dahil irrational siya, you can write this, hence, this one, ibig sabihin the degree of U over the field Q is equal to x cubed minus x plus 1. This is given by the theorem, yung pinakita ko on the introduction. And so, this is Q of U is the set of the form A plus BU plus CU squared, such that your A, B, and C are in Q. That's it. Okay, so let us introduce first this theorem. Ang sabi sa theorem na ito, let E be an extension field of K. F is an extension field of L, and you have a mapping from K to L, which is a field isomorphism, and your U in E, V in F. So these are the conditions. If either U is transcendental over K and V is transcendental over L, or U is algebraic over K with this degree of U over K is F, and V is algebraic over L with the degree of V over L is sigma F. Then, yung sigma mo pala, which is a mapping, extends to an isomorphism. And this isomorphism is given by this. Yan. So, if we want to picture that out, let's say Ang sabi dito is your K here is is a field. Also your L here is a field. Now, ang sabi din dito that AE is an extension field of K. So that is E here, extension siya. And your L here, sorry, F here is an extension field of L. Yan. Okay. And ang sabi din dito that your K to L maps, we call that mapping as sigma. This one is an isomorphism. So this is a field isomorphism. Yan. And then, ang sabi dito, either of the following, no? U is transcendental over K or V is transcendental over L or algebraic na case. So in other words, we have an intermediate field, KU. So intermediate siya kay E at kay K. Mainly because, of course, CU is an element of E. Similarly, meron tayong intermediate field na LV. So, ang sinasabi, yung sigma mo, mag-i-extend ng isomorphism dito, and we call that sigma sub-extend, or just like that. Yan, isomorphism siya. So, how do we prove that? So, I'll just give you the sketch of the proof here. So, the extension, we denote that as this one para klaro. Okay, so kayo nang bahala mag-formalize niyan. I'm just giving you the informal proof. It's just a draft. Okay, so in this case, your extension here, ext lang pala, no? This is this ring over K and ring over L. And in this case, you send an element from the ring over K. I'll write this in this way. Let's say this is AI x to the I from 0 to n, and I send that into the summation of the sigma of AI x to the I from 0 to n. So in this case here, your f is sent to the sigma of f. Consider first the case for transcendental. So U is transcendental. Yan na lang yung symbol ha. Trans over K. And V is trans over L. Yan. So in this case here, we let K be constant polynomial. Yan. So in this case, we have the following isomorphism, which is quite obvious, and I will leave that to you as exercise. Yung isomorphism ni subfield, this one, which is this one, this one. Okay, which means to say that this subfield, ang form niya, di ba, yung naka-fraction. So I have f of u over g of u. This is sent to f of x over g of x. So remember, pwede natin siyang mag-extend siya dito. So you have the extension on f over the extension on g. And this is actually sent to the extension of f over, in this case here, meron tayong v dyan, and then this is the extension on g. Merong v dyan. If you notice, this is just the k sending to the k, and this is sending to the extension k, and this is sent to the extension. So basically, etong mga maps na to are actually isomorphisms. And I will leave that to you as exercise. Number 2 naman, let's consider the case when U and V are algebraic. Okay, so ang mangyayari, you have the field extension. This is isomorphic to the ring, mod F. And this is isomorphic to this one, mod the sigma F. And this is isomorphic to this one. This actually isomorphism will be defined when we are actually sending G of U sending to G plus this one. Kasi di ba ito yung mga elements niya whenever this is the form of your extension. And this one is sent to this G plus this one. And this is sent to, ito yung ano niya. Tama? Okay. Kasi in this case here, your V here is algebraic over L. So therefore this one is isomorphic. So draft lang tong pinakita ko sa inyo, and then kayo nang bahala mag-modify. Okay. So dito tayo. Let's take this g of x equals dx. O ibig sabihin, whenever you have g of u, that's the same as u, tama? But this u will be sent to the x plus this f. And remember, this is sent to sigma x, tama? That is plus sigma f. And this one is sent to this sigma of x v. But because v is in this case algebraic, diba? This means that this is just the v. Mainly because the sigma x is just the x. Dito na lang. So if you want to take g of x equals k, your g of u is the same as k, and your k here is sent to k plus this f, and this will be sent to the sigma of k plus the sigma of f, sigma of f, okay? And so this is sent to sigma of k. And remember, this is just element of L. That's it. So if you have clarification, please let me know. Okay, so by that, we will have the consequence of the theorem. It says here that your E and F here be extension fields of K, and your U here is from E and V is from F. And these two guys are actually algebraic over K. Then the conclusion says here that yung U and V mo are roots of the same irreducible polynomial on a polynomial F. Yung F mo is coming from the polynomial over K. If and only if there is an isomorphism on this one. So this means which sends U to V and is the identity on K. So how do we prove that? Let F be equal to the degree of U over K. Yan. In this case, this is the same as the degree of V over K. So if we want to take the identity, so let's take the identity as the sigma on K. I'm referring to the theorem previously. Okay. Ang mangyayari, this is your K. Yung K mo kasi is, I'm sorry, your E kasi is extension of your field K. So whenever you have K here, ang extension din niya dito is F. So yung mga intermediate niya, which is K of U, KB. So by previous theorem, di ba, whenever you have this isomorphism by means of identity, this one, there is also another isomorphism by means of identity on. Okay, so yan yung implication niya. So in this case, then the sigma f is just f. If you notice, let's check first. Since u daw dito is a root, so we assume on this part here. So since u is a root of f and also your v is a root of sigma f, which is just the same as f. So yung identity map k, so identity map na k extends to an isomorphism KU to KB. So this guy here is an isomorphism. So this means this isomorphism sending you to V. That is by the previous theorem. Okay, so let's go with the backward. So let us say you have this map P from K of U to K of V. And in this case, this is isomorphism. And this is defined by sending U to V. And also you have K to K. This is for all K in K. Okay, so we want to actually, ang gusto natin i-prove is U and V are the roots of the same irreducible polynomial. So let our F here be this one. So in this case, this is the same as the degree of AI x to the I from 0 to n. Now, f of u is 0. In this case, this is if and only if yung sum mo, tama ba? This is AI, UI is 0, I from 0 to n. Tama? So, this will happen because U is algebraic. So, that means this is equal to the phi of the sum of AI, U to the I from 0 to n, which is the p of 0. And this implies that this is the summation of p of AI, p of u to the I from 0 to n. This is equal to 0. Nangyayari to because, of course, alam natin that P is homo. Diba? This is by assumption that it's iso. So, therefore, it's homo. And so, this is equal to the sum of AI, P to the I from 0 to n, which is 0. And we know for a fact this is f of p equals 0. So, this is the same as f equals I. So, this proves the claim. So, therefore, yung u at v mo are actually the roots of the irreducible polynomial. Okay, so let's consider this for example. So your f here is x squared plus x plus 1. And they are polynomials over the field the field of R. Okay, so if you want to solve this, the roots are. So ang roots niya is, tama ba? This is by quadratic formula lang. This is this one, which is negative 1/2 plus or minus square root of 3 over 2i. So we let W be equal, this is actually omega. So we let omega be equal to negative 1/2 plus square root of 3 over 2i. Then in this case, omega squared natin is negative 1/2 minus square root of 3 over 2i. So which is, in this case, this is the conjugate of omega. So therefore, given that you have this polynomial x cubed minus 1, which you can factor that out as x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1, this has a, a set of roots, which is 1, the omega, and the omega squared. So in this case, the degree of omega over the field R is the same as the degree of the omega squared over the field R. And in this case here, n, given that you have the R here, so yung extension field niya is R omega. This one is also an R here. And its extension field is R omega squared. So there is this identity map, which is an isomorphism. That's it. So in this case, if we want to describe the elements of R omega, this is the same as A plus B omega, such that your A and B are from the field R. And if you want to have this is the same as your A and B are in the field R. So now your P here from R omega maps to R omega squared. This is sending Z to the conjugate. So in other words, if you have this element here, A plus B omega, this is the same as A plus B. I mean, this is actually sent to A plus B omega squared. And in this case, this is an isomorphism. That's it. So if you have any question or clarification, please let me know. And that's all for this video. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have any questions or clarification, you can comment down there so we can discuss on these clarifications. And of course, I would love to encourage you to subscribe so that you'll be updated on a lot of videos that I'll be uploading soon regarding on discussions of mathematics as well as the research journey. Thank you and have a great day.